Menteri Kambari jong Sorkar Pedeng Dr. S. Jaishankar ulang bakajing day kebajan hapdeng ke India bat ke Australia kandang ya beteng nadu duriau hadu ki bentah ki baselor sun ulang baki jaka ki kentup ya kilat ajing da bat pahara kitiar kitar bat kejuk mentah ke kai ke beteng bat kumjo hagayo ke kot batru hagajing day para brew Dr. Jaishankar habapun pau ha ke Australia India Leadership Dialogue ke bahan rew ne ke sengi ulang bakawai par kejing day kebajan kalong bandon kejing sutu jumut lang hapdeng jongi khamtam hagi benta jong ke Indo-Pacific.
AILD has quite aptly used the phrase Bridges of Bharosa as one of its themes. In this complicated world, it is the Bharosa or trust between like-minded partners such as India and Australia, along with others, that is helping us in our efforts to secure a free, open, peaceful and prosperous Indo-Pacific region along with a rules-based international order.